Here I have a player and a ground, which are just boxes and they don't have any colliders. So first thing I'll do is add colliders to all of them. Now they all have box colliders. I need to add rigid body 2D to our player so it's affected by gravity. I'm going to freeze the rotation on the Z axis and I'm gonna set gravity scale to 4. Now I need to add a ground check to the player. So right click, create empty and name it ground check. Now move the ground check right underneath the player. And now click on the player and add component and here type player. This will be a new script, so create and add. And just to keep stuff organized, I'm going to create a new folder for my scripts. Drag the script into the folder and open it. First we need to create some variables. First create a public float speed, then another public float jump force. Then create an integer horizontal. Now create a public rigid body 2D RB. Then create a public transform ground check and a public layer mask ground layer. And we won't need start method for now, so we can delete it. In the update method, first type horizontal equals input.getAxis row horizontal. Then type rb.velocity equals new vector 2 horizontal times speed, rb.velocity.y. Under the update method, create a bool grounded. And here type return physics2d.overlap circle, ground check.position 0.2f and ground layer. Then in the update method type if input.getButton down jump and grounded. Then rb.velocity equals new vector 2 rb.velocity.x, jump force. And under this type if input.getButton up jump and is not grounded, then rb.velocity equals new vector 2 rb.velocity.x, rb.velocity.y times 0.5f. Now scroll up and create a bool is facing right equals true. And under the update method, create the void flip. Here type if horizontal is less than 0 and is facing right is true, or horizontal is more than 0 and is facing right is false, then is facing right equals not is facing right. Then type vector3 local scale equals transform.local scale. And then local scale.x times equals -1. And finally transform.local scale equals local scale. Now scroll up and in the update method call the flip function. Go back to Unity and now click on the player, set the speed to 10, set the jump force to 16 and drag the rigid body component into the RB slot and the game object ground check into the ground check slot. And finally now we have to click on the grounds, hold Ctrl and click to select both of them, click on the layer and add layer. And I already have a ground layer, but if you don't, just add a ground layer and go to your ground game objects and select the ground layer. Now on the player, change the ground layer to ground and then click play and everything should work fine. If you're not happy with the player's speed or the jump force, you can change them yourself as you want. Thank you for watching and subscribe if you don't want to miss the next episode. Bye.